if a hortaholic, a person who really knows their horticulture comes through, they're amazed at what they see. For the average person, we're just sitting here and it feels good, like that the trees and the things are holding you and letting you be. You'll always be able to watch birds here. You know, right now, this is the time of year you can always find turtles. So the contribution to the community is just its being and the people feeling safe enough to come here and be in it.
Out here. The art projects, the whole landscape, you can kind of feel like you're getting lost, but you know that you just came from just right around the corner, but you have no idea how you got to where you just got.
I like that Boxerwood as a welcoming space for all kinds of critters, both human and plant and animal and vegetable. And somehow, like a garden, it all just flourishes together.